Welcome to an intriguing journey into one of art history's most captivating mysteries. Why does the Mona Lisa lack eyebrows? This enigma has puzzled many, but today we'll uncover the fascinating cultural reasons behind this curious detail. First, let's set the stage. Painted by the legendary Leonardo da Vinci in the early 16th century, the Mona Lisa is arguably the most famous painting in the world. Her enigmatic smile has captured the imaginations of millions, but few notice her missing eyebrows, a detail that's surprisingly significant. To understand this, we must delve into the cultural practices of the Renaissance. During this era, beauty standards were vastly different from today's ideals. It was common for women to remove their eyebrows entirely. This practice wasn't just a fleeting trend, it was deeply rooted in the aesthetics of the time. The Renaissance was a period that celebrated humanism and classical beauty. Women sought to achieve a particular look that was inspired by ancient Greek and Roman sculptures, which often depicted figures with smooth, hairless faces. This beauty ideal emphasized a high forehead and a clear, unbroken line from the forehead to the nose, considered elegant and sophisticated. Moreover, the absence of eyebrows was thought to enhance the expressiveness of the eyes, making them the focal point of the face. In this light, the Mona Lisa's expression becomes even more intriguing and engaging. Leonardo da Vinci, a master of capturing subtlety and nuance, might have deliberately left the eyebrows out to adhere to these contemporary beauty standards, or possibly due to the painting's unfinished nature. Some art historians suggest that the Mona Lisa was a work in progress, with Leonardo continually refining his masterpiece until his death. As we conclude, it's essential to recognize that the mystery of the Mona Lisa's eyebrows is not just about artistic choice, but reflects broader societal norms of the Renaissance. Through exploring this lesser-known aspect, we gain deeper insights into the cultural landscape that shaped one of history's greatest works of art. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. Next time you gaze upon the Mona Lisa, you'll know that her lack of eyebrows is more than just a quirk. It's a window into the beauty ideals of a bygone era. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of art history.